Parts Pro. Today with 2021 LDV T60 stock on the 6816. This frame from the 7th 2017 to the 10th 2021. It has an SK8C 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an SK8C 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,